Okay, here we are at Liliuokalani Plaza on Liliuokalani Avenue here in Waikiki, and I've got a great new listing I want to tell you all about. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1 parking, and it's just right down the road from Kuhio Beach at Waikiki. Then you stick around to the very end, I'm going to show you that feature, and it's all about the location and lifestyle. So I mentioned we're at 222 Liliuokalani Avenue here in Waikiki, Liliuokalani Plaza. Come off Liliuokalani Avenue. You have a nice entry with mailboxes here and a little seating area here in the lobby with additional mailboxes, kind of little library. And this is where you get packages right here around the corner. And there's a couple like guest loading zone stalls here. And the stall that comes with the unit is right off to the corner here. And here we've got the elevator. Come out of the elevator, what I love is there's only 4 units per floor, 501, 502, 503 and 504 at the end of the hallway. Okay, here we are at Liliuokalani Plaza, Unit 501. As we enter in, this is a very spacious 1,075 square foot unit, plus lanai, which we're gonna come back to in a second. It's got a nice open floor plan. It's kind of got an oversized refrigerator, just needs to get put back in the corner here. But it does have washer dryer hookups within the unit, dishwasher, oven, but once again, a nice open layout, and you're gonna have 2 ensuite bathrooms off the bedrooms. So as you come into bedroom number 1, we're gonna see, a semi-updated bathroom here with sink, and then pantry here, a linen closet. And there's additional storage for the unit here, which is nice. This is on top of the bedroom, which we're gonna see. We've got spare flooring here because you're gonna have vinyl plank floors in the bedroom. Jalousie windows here, which are actually good for ventilation, full-size closet, and extra wires for additional lighting. And then we'll come back here to see bedroom number 2. Also, you're gonna have jalousie windows, which are great for cross ventilation. There is a window AC unit here around the corner, tucked back behind here, which does work. And then you've got another ensuite bathroom here, which is definitely not original to the building. It's been updated since with kind of a walk-in shower with a seating area. And then I'm going to take you to the huge selling point on this, because you have this ample living area in Waikiki, but you're just stone's throw away from the beach, which is going to be right down the street here across from the Hilton Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa. It's going to be right down the road here, and I'll give you a glimpse of that here shortly. What's nice about this too, morning sunrise is going to be in this direction. Afternoon sunset is going to be in that direction, so you're not going to be too blasted from the sun here. As we make our way down to Kuhio Beach, it's just 0.2 miles away, just a few blocks. As you can see, we pass all kinds of resorts and restaurants along the way, which I'll describe a little bit on the walk back up. But here you are at Kuhio Beach. It's a beautiful day towards the end of November, calm oceans, and you're in the heart of Waikiki. And as we head back up to Liliuokalani Plaza, across the street here, you've got McDonald's, and that's the Circular Hotel Waikiki, and then you've got Waikiki Beach Tower here. And those are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units that range in the mid $2 million range. And then across the street here, we've got Alohilani, which is a $1 billion resort. This property sold for $800 million, and they put several hundred million into the remodel a number of years back. And this is the former Pacific Beach Hotel, and they've got all kinds of shops and restaurants here, high-end luxury finishes. And this is just like blocks away from Liliuokalani Plaza, so you're in good company in the neighborhood, like I mentioned, just several blocks away from the beach in Waikiki. And then as we make our way back up, this is 2465 Kuhio. Those are legal vacation rentals. Those are 2-bedroom, 2 baths, and those are going to trade around $1 million or more. So out the back, we have Liliuokalani Plaza. We're just a fraction of that price. There's also an ABC store there in the corner of Kuhio Avenue. And as we just head up Mauka here, we're going to get another perspective of Liliuokalani Plaza. and you've got some nice restaurants here in the corner, and then you've got the Hilton right across the street. So here we are back up at Liliuokalani Plaza, and as you look up Mauka, you can see towards the Alawai Canal, and you have some nice mountain views in that distance. So I hope you enjoyed my tour of Liliuokalani Plaza and the surrounding areas here in Waikiki. And if you have more questions about Liliuokalani Plaza, Waikiki Beach Tower, 2465 Kuhio Avenue, or any other condo complexes here in Waikiki, I can be reached at 808-371-3509. Mahalo.